Nearly 2 decades ago, in one of my travels to Corbett National Park, I saw this langur monkey on a branch. The monkey then turned towards me. Upon sensing no danger from me, the langur monkey assumed postures reminiscent of wise old men and philosophers. Watching a langur monkey seemingly lost in deep thought evoked a sense of introspection in me. While we can't ascribe human-like contemplation to these animals, their behavior may offer insights into our own nature and the universal aspects of pondering. The posture of langur monkey to me suggested a state of deep reflection. While it may not be pondering on existential questions, but its demeanor prompted me to consider the value of introspection in my own life. I now can emphatically say that taking moments to pause and reflect can lead to greater self-awareness and understanding. Witnessing animals engaging in behaviors that resemble our own can foster a sense of connection with nature. It reminds us that humans are not separate from the rest of the animal kingdom, but rather intricately linked to it. This connection can inspire a deeper appreciation for the diversity of life on earth. Langur monkeys, like many other animals, live in the present moment. Their apparent contemplation may simply be a manifestation of their awareness of their surroundings. Observing them reminds us of the beauty and simplicity of living in the present moment, free from the complexities that often consumes us. The sight of langur monkey in a philosopher's pose was a very humbling moment for me. It is a reminder that wisdom and contemplation exist beyond the realm of humanity. It encourages us to approach life with humility, acknowledging that profound insights can often be found in the most unexpected places. I realize that since profound insights can be found from any wildlife species and in any force of nature, I need to always retain a childlike sense of curiosity to seek knowledge from these successful beings. As in the wild, difference between success and failure is life and death. I took a bow and we moved ahead. What do you think? Do let me know in the comments below.